Hello students, in this video I am here to discuss an important topic of your science NCERT book, which is also an interesting topic, that is stars and the solar system. This is the chapter 17 of your NCERT book, science NCERT book, that is the stars and the solar system. Students, you all are already aware with the stars. In your daily life at night you used to see stars, you used to see solar system and various types of planets as they are shown in this picture. Also there are how many number of planets? I hope you all must be saying answer, that is what is the number of planets that are present in the solar system at present are 8. Earlier they used to be 9 in numbers, but in 2006 August, means in August 2006, Pluto has been replaced by Indian Astronomical Unit, that we call IAU, Indian Astronomical Union has replaced Pluto, means Pluto has been deleted, or Pluto has been removed from the list of 9 planets, and hence how many number of planets are available? 8. What are those planets? So they are, you all are very much familiar: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Next, we don't have to study about each and every planet, but there are various types of heavenly bodies present in the solar system or celestial bodies, or we have to discuss about those bodies only. Here is the list of topics we will discuss in this chapter. It can't be discussed all in one video, but with the help of various types of video, it is means it will be tried to show you all the things with proper pictures, and also tell you or also show you how each and everything works. First we discuss celestial objects, second is astronomy, then moon. Moon is the satellite of Earth. Every planet is having one satellite, in which moon is the satellite of Earth. Then stars, as it is in the name of your chapter, means heading of your chapter is just stars. Then is constellation. What is constellation? We will discuss. Earth, you know, it is planet, sun, planets, each and everything will be discussed. Then satellites I have discussed. What was the astronomy all about in ancient India? What is Mangalyaan? Asteroids, comets, meteors, meteorites, meteor shower, artificial satellites. Nowadays various types of artificial satellites have also been made or have also been prepared. Likewise, the first topic is celestial bodies. Now see what is actually celestial objects. The stars, the planets, the moon and many other objects in the sky are called celestial objects. Actually, we just as a human being are aware with few of the celestial bodies, but it is not necessary that whatever number of celestial bodies we are aware of are only present in our atmosphere. There are various, it is written here, many more objects are there in the sky which are termed as celestial objects. Shown with the help of diagram again, various types of means positions of the planets, Mercury, Venus, size are also shown in the figure. Among the size you can find that Jupiter is the largest planet made here. Then which is the smallest you can find out here is Mercury. So each and everything has been shown it here with the help of this figure. Next is astronomy. It is the study of these celestial objects. If someone do the study of moon, if someone does the study of stars, these all in combination are said to be means the study of all the celestial objects or various types of phenomena. Like we have seen, we see stars break down, means जिसको we call, what we call it in Hindi, टूटता हुआ तारा. How does it take? On 21st June this year, means on 21st June 2020, there was one type of eclipse. What was that eclipse? You will recall it. Whether it was, there are two types of eclipses takes place, that is lunar and solar. If it is in case of sun, it is said to be solar. If it is in case of moon, it is said to be lunar. So how these means phenomena takes place, these are only the phenomena. These studies are done under one branch of science. It is the chapter you are studying it in science book, so it is related to your science. So the branch of science in which the study of celestial objects and associated phenomena is called astronomy. In chapter 2, here one thing is written, telescope. In chapter 2, one of the instrument you have read about, and it was what? I hope answer you all are getting it, that answer, that was your microscope. That was your means microscope. But here it means, so microscope was just used to see the what? Microorganisms. But telescope is the instrument used to see celestial objects. Means if the astronomers, the one who does the study of these celestial objects, are said to be astronomer, and the study they do about is said to be astronomy, and the astronomers used to study about these celestial objects with the help of one instrument. That instrument is telescope. That instrument is telescope. So astronomy is the branch of science in which study of celestial objects and their associated phenomena are studied. Instruments used to study about this phenomena is said to be telescope. That helps in studying about these objects. Next is moon. Every night, if nothing is special in this picture, because every evening, every night you used to see moon. But sometimes moon appears small, sometimes moon appears big, sometimes it appears in this shape, sometimes it appears to be in full shape. How it is in full shape, how it is in round shape, that depends on that phenomena only. Means in every month, in every 15 days, there are some changes takes place, due to which what we call it in Hindi Purnima and Amavas. So it has been found that in every Purnima, means whenever there is Purnamasi, what we call it in Hindi, moon's lunar eclipse takes place. Lunar eclipse always takes place in Purnima, while in the Amavas solar eclipse takes place. Every time they used to take place, but the problem is that we as a human being are not able to see or observe that type of eclipse. Not all time we are able to see such type of moon. or such type of means phenomena. Here are the various the shape I have told you about are shown various types of shapes of moon. You all can see in the figure. Here it was full. Here it is full moon. Before that half means like this. Here the whole moon has been disappeared. The various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month are called phases of the moon. Means various types of phases, or you say na steps. So that type of things are actually said to be phases. Means various shapes of the bright part of moon as seen during a month. In complete month, not every day the moon appears same. One day it appears full moon, one day somewhat less, then somewhat less. So these are actually known as phases of moon. Next is, when is full moon day? So the day on which the whole disk of the moon is visible is known as full moon day. Whole disk means complete moon. You all are means aware with its name only, that full moon means whole of the moon appears to us. If whole of the moon appears to us, it is said to be full moon. Next is new moon day. We will discuss this chapter with the help of your NCERT book also, but here I am having some pictures. With the help of those pictures only I am trying you to explain, so that actually if you may understand each and everything better. And rather than this, whatever is given in your book will also be discussed. On the 15th day, I have told you that in month, how many days are there? 30. In 15 days, Purnima come, and next 15 days, Amavasya come. So on the 15th day, the moon is not visible. This day is known as new moon. This day is only known as new moon. But in Hindi, what we say it, we give it a name Purnima and Amavas. But in English, it is new moon day. When in every 15th day, whatever new moon is visible, or the day in which on the 15th day the moon is not visible, this day is known as the new moon. Okay? Next is, this term is important. What we call this term? Crescent moon. What does this moon, this type of shapes, moon is said to be crescent. Right now you have studied about full moon, new moon. Full moon is whole complete moon. New moon is on the 15th day when the moon is not visible, and when it appears again, that is said to be new moon day. But crescent moon is the next day only a small portion of the moon appears in the sky. This is known as crescent moon. The very next day of the new moon day, only small portion of the moon, this is the small portion of moon, when it appears as in the sky, it is known as crescent moon. Various types of phases of the moon play an important role in our social life. We say ना, ग्रहों के कारण हमें ऐसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया, या चंद्रमा means positions in the various types of orbits also results in our social life. हमारी आम जिंदगी में भी इसका बहुत importance होता है. What is the importance is written here, that Diwali is celebrated on the new moon day, that is Amavasya. Diwali is always used to celebrated on Amavasya, and that is only new moon day. While Holi is not written here, but it is celebrated on the old moon. It is celebrated, and that is said to be Purnima. Buddha Purnima and Guru Nanak birthday. means few days before only you have got one leave. Online classes were also means suspended that time, and it was due to this leave only Buddha Purnima and Guru Nanak birthday are celebrated on full moon day. It comes after Diwali. Mahashivratri is celebrated on 13th night of waning moon. That is known as means Trayodasi. That is 13. In Sanskrit we call it Trayodasi. Then it is Eid-ul Fitr, that is the festival of Muslim. Right now you have seen one type of moon that was said to be crescent moon. Here it is written also. Eid-ul Fitr is observed on the day following the sighting of crescent moon. Means the day we see moon, on that day Eid-ul Fitr is not celebrated. The very next day of this crescent moon, the day we have seen this crescent moon, just the next day we used to celebrate this festival. So various types of festivals, these are only known as social, means they have importance in our social life. Okay, what is next in this? So whatever is the next is with the help of the NCERT book. How many topics today we have discussed here were celestial objects, astronomy, moon, full moon, stars are still left. We have just studied about moon only. Only these three topics in detail we have studied. Star, you know, star is what? Earth is planet. Stars are also very, very small heavenly bodies, and they are in number of million, billion number of quantities. They are very large and huge in number. So I hope you all have got it up to the moon. In the next video we will try to discuss about constellation and various types of the activities performed by these celestial bodies and various types of phenomena.